Are we looking at a promising future for the electric SUV lineup at BMW? The future seems bright to me. Buckle up, because today we're getting a glimpse into the future of electric mobility with the revolutionary BMW Neue Klasse X. This isn't just another electric SUV. It's a game-changer packed with cutting-edge technology and a sustainable soul. Let's dissect this future machine and see if it lives up to the hype. The Neue Klasse X represents a paradigm shift for BMW. It's the first in a new generation of all-electric vehicles built from the ground up for ultimate performance and efficiency. Think sleek, sporty design paired with a luxurious interior brimming with innovation. A bold leap into the future. Get ready for heads to turn. The Neue Klasse X throws out the design playbook with a radical departure from the classic BMW silhouette. The focus here is on futuristic flair and aerodynamic efficiency. The signature kidney grille gets a complete makeover, transforming into a stunning illuminated element that integrates seamlessly into the front fascia. BMW calls it a bifunctional kidney, and it plays a key role in both aesthetics and guiding air for optimal cooling and performance. Flanking this illuminated masterpiece are newly designed headlights that are equally futuristic, teasing the technological prowess hidden beneath the hood. Imagine a cabin bathed in light thanks to a panoramic sunroof and expansive windows. The Neue Klasse X concept translates the dream into reality. Sustainable, knitted materials with ambient lighting add a touch of futuristic flair to the spacious interior. BMW prioritizes driver engagement. A redesigned steering wheel puts controls at your fingertips, while the revolutionary head-up display projects info directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Get ready to be wowed by the next-generation iDrive system. A central display and voice commands provide effortless control over the car's functions. The Neue Klasse X goes beyond mere functionality. The new iDrive promises a personalized experience, including a unique sound system that adapts to your driving mood. The Neue Klasse X isn't just a concept car. It's a window into the electric SUV segment's future. It seamlessly blends driver engagement, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. BMW has hinted at some impressive figures. The Neue Klasse X is expected to house a next-generation electric motor delivering well over 400 horsepower. Additionally, a focus on lightweight materials and aerodynamic design promises a driving range exceeding 300 miles on a single charge. The Neue Klasse X will exclusively feature a powerful electric motor paired with a large battery pack. While official pricing hasn't been announced, considering its innovative features and positioning, expect a starting price somewhere in the high $70,000 to low $80,000 range. There's no official information on ride quality yet. However, considering BMW's pedigree for handling, we can expect a composed and comfortable ride with a touch of sportiness. When it hits the market, the Neue Klasse X will compete with established players like the Tesla Model X and the upcoming Audi e-tron Q8, but with its focus on performance and sustainability, it aims to be a leader in the luxury electric SUV segment. The BMW Neue Klasse X is a bold statement about the future of electric mobility. It promises exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and a commitment to sustainability. While details are still emerging, the Neue Klasse X has the potential to redefine the electric SUV landscape. If you're an early adopter looking for a future-proof electric SUV with a touch of BMW magic, the Neue Klasse X might be your perfect match. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Top Car Specs for all your car news and reviews. We'll be sure to bring you a full test drive and in-depth review once we get behind the wheel of this electric beast. From every indication so far, the future is bright.